Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to draw animals in order of step by step. Use manually or automatically. Example, use automatically, then click shape tool, right click on your mouse, custom shape tool, and click the shape tool drop down, gear icon, and added animals. Then or use custom animal, again click load shapes, load your animal shapes, then choose your animals. Example, use cat mode, shape mode without stroke. Press enter, then hold shift, draw animals, and again create a new layer. Dog, press enter. Without fill, use only stroke. Hold shift again, increase the line size. OK. Style dotted solid. That's it. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.